How to design emails in Figma. To show you this, I'm going to use this template here, which I've duplicated. So once you duplicate it, it's free and you can use it yourself. So one thing you'll notice in all of these templates, they have a frame, which we can do as well. Here we have a frame which is going to be 600 pixels wide. This is the standard. As you can see, they're all that size, and the length depends on how long the email is going to be. So that's the first thing we're going to make, and we're going to create a frame. And the first thing you have to add is the logo of the company, or whatever it is you're using. And after that, we have a title. You can just use these. As you can see, they have they're bolded text, and they have they're bigger than the overall other text. We have illustrations, or we can just replace those with the photos we have of the product or the service. We have, after that, you can just add some explanation text with which is going to be normal text, which is not going to be bolded or in all caps, so it's just going to be regular text. We can add these boxes here. It can say something like subscribe or try it now in this case, all that kind of stuff, or visit this page. And at the very bottom, this is very important to write in the name of the company, and also to add in all the symbols for the social media, the address, and so on. And of course, the unsubscribe button here if we want to unsubscribe from this email. And again, we can add the logo here. As you can see, and these are a little bit different, but they all basically have the logo on top, the title of the email, of what's going to be talked about in this email. And down here we all have the same layout for the social media, the info about the company, and the logo again. So that's something you can keep in mind. Everything else is really up to your artistic viewpoints, so can't really tell you what to do there. Just to make it easier, you can use templates, and it's going to be a lot easier for you to create lengthy emails, even like this one. So that's it. That's how you can design an email in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.